The National Environment Agency has signed cooperative agreement and an MOU with Jospong Group of Companies of Ghana, who are being engaged by the Gambia to transform waste collection and management. A major company leading waste management in Ghana and across Africa, Jospong is an international firm that operates in Ghana and other parts of the continent with firms focused on managing all kinds of waste via recycling. Jospong's waste management facilities come in comprehensive package covering processing and treatment, which has caught the attention of the Gambia government. Services provided by Jospong in waste management include processing, soil waste recycling, and treatment of wastewater. Following its signing, the Jospong team embarked on a working visit to conduct a feasibility study on the state of waste management systems in the country. This aims to undertake a comprehensive assessment to provide a detailed report on the proposed waste management strategies and financial mechanisms for funding to establish waste management facilities in the Gambia. The exercise brought together key stakeholders for discussions to develop a strategy to ensure comprehensive waste management in the Gambia.
For me, this is the first part of inclusion and getting acceptance of any waste management policy or program that the decision makers have. So it's very important that we get this kind of feedback or we get this kind of inclusion from those who really, where we bring from our side the technology, the expertise, and the knowledge and experience.
Dr. Dauda Baji, Director of National Environment Agency, leading the transformation process, emphasized the raft of waste management challenges the country faces.
The situation of the waste management in this country has been a challenge for a long period of time, and all of us have recognized that, particularly the councils. All of us can agree that the problem of waste is a challenge to this country, and it was important that we gathered some years ago to come up with a roadmap. So today, we are here based on those recommendations. We are here to validate a document that is meant to address that problem, submitted by Jospong Group of Companies that came up with a technical and a financial proposal from a private perspective on how this issue of waste can be a thing of the past.
Talib Ahmad Bensouda, Mayor of Kanifing Municipal Council, said waste management has become a national crisis, noting that councils are taking significant steps to collect waste, but the absence of processing and the value addition has continually derailed their efforts.
So essentially, we are just moving waste from households and communities to centralized areas that we refer to as dump sites. So we are not really fixing the problem. And in our case in KMC, the problem is quite aggravated in the Bakote dump site. It is waste now piling up and becoming an environmental hazard. I'm not a scientist, but I believe with the leachage and other chemicals going into the water table, these are cancerous elements. With this partnership, it could easily be fixed. It could never be perfect, but we could make great strides. So I'm definitely glad to be here, Honorable Minister, and I'm happy that the government is buying into this project, and I hope in the nearest possible future we will be having a facility in the Gambia, and of course first being the Bakote dump site.
Rohijon Manjang, Minister of Environment, highlighted the importance of waste management and the Gambia government's commitment to sustainable processes to turn waste into income.
This is the heart of our hotels. So we cannot afford to continue seeing this mess around us. And I think it looks like all of us are excited, but I'm so excited if I see KMC buying in. And I know they are anxious to get this right. If KMC get it right, the entire Gambia will be covered. That one I am 100% sure. I want to conclude to say that let's put hearts and minds together. Gambia belongs to all of us. What is important is for whoever is at the office at the time to make sure that we serve general interest. General interest is the Gambia.
The arrival of Ghana's Jospong Group finds the Gambia at a critical crossroad in waste management amid growing population density and activity, increasing both domestic and chemical waste. Reporting for GRTS News, I am Usman Sedikan.